Four gates open, that up and racing. Fabiola from the outside. South Pearl is viral. Is Speed Bullet. Joining them is General Onay Kampay, and Prying Eyes is the early trailer as they make the first turn. South Pearl running viral in between runners. Speed Bullet. General Onay is on the outside. Then comes Kampay. Fabiola is alongside, and in behind them is the favorite Prying Eyes. Heading towards the back, two runners fighting it out for the lead. General Onay making it 3 once again this time, and moving up is South Pearl to take the lead. South Pearl takes the lead. Speed Bullet is in second. General Onay is on the outside. Moving up Kampay. Then comes Fabiola, and Prying Eyes is still running at the tail of the field. Heading towards the last 600. South Pearl this time by about 3 lengths. Kampay now moving up to take second. General Onay drops back in third. And moving up is the favorite Prying Eyes Fabiola, while Speed Bullet now running at the back of the pack as they swing towards the last 450. South Pearl this time by about 4 lengths. Kampay is in second. Prying Eyes is sorry outside. General Onay, Fabiola, and Speed Bullet with the last 200 meters more to run. South Pearl this time by about 3 lengths. Kampay and Prying Eyes, Fabiola, and General Onay, Speed Bullet with the last 100 meters more to run. South Pearl this time by about 8 lengths over Prying Eyes, and finally South Pearl, Prying Eyes, Kampay, Fabiola, Speed Bullet, and General Onay.